I'm guessing about 30 years ago, my father, who is a landowner, and I'm now responsible for the property, allowed the U.S. Geological Survey to put a piece of equipment on his property to take some measurements, one thing or another. I don't have a problem with that, other than I'm now responsible for the property, and I just wonder if I don't want the piece of equipment to remain on the property. Now, I don't mind it staying there, but I would like to know if there is any compensation for that kind of thing. And like I said, it's been there for a long, long time. Since I'm now responsible for the property, I have some questions about the piece of equipment being there. I don't really want it to stay, but I would allow it to stay if it's very unsightly, but I just wonder if there's any reason that I could possibly get some compensation from anybody for that.
Thank you, David.
That's a different call. The answer is that obviously as the landowner that they do have rights, and I'm assuming at some point his father entered into some type of an agreement with the U.S. Geological Society or whoever it was, or the government. And so the first thing that I would advise him to do if he came to me is I would say we need to know what agreement was entered into. Is there anything in writing? Did it have an expiration on it? What type of agreement was it? Was it some kind of lease? And usually, obviously, if you are leasing something out, there is compensation. So I would tell him that he probably needs to dig deep and find those old papers, or find out if he knows someone who was around when that was entered into, and find out what exactly the agreement was.